In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a button in WordPress. So, you've been working on your WordPress site and you're at the point where you want to add some buttons to make your pages or posts more engaging. With just a few simple steps, you can easily achieve this and enhance your site's visual appeal. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to either the Pages or Posts sections in your WordPress dashboard, depending on where you want to place your new button. Once there, simply click on Edit next to the specific page or post you're working on. This will take you into the WordPress editor where you can make the changes. Next, you'll need to add or select a button block. If you're adding a new button, you can do this by clicking the plus icon, which is typically located at the top left of the editor. Once the block menu opens, go ahead and type button into the search bar and select it. If you already have a button in place that you wish to customize, just select it to proceed with the changes. Now, over to the right-hand sidebar, you'll see options for styles or color settings. This is where the real customization happens. Click on the section that says Styles or Colors, and let's begin by looking at the button's background color. Set this to Clear. What we're doing here is making sure the button doesn't have a distracting background, allowing it to seamlessly integrate with the rest of your page design. Following that, it's crucial to ensure your text color stands out against your page's background. This enhances readability and makes sure that your call to action doesn't go unnoticed by your visitors. Depending on your theme and the underlying page colors, this might mean selecting a bold black or a clean white text color. Both options are typically excellent choices for contrast, but be sure to pick one that aligns best with your overall design scheme. Finally, once you are satisfied with your button's appearance and it looks great in context with the rest of your content, click Update or Publish to apply your changes. If you've been working in draft mode, hitting Publish will make your changes live for your audience to see. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to customize a button in WordPress. These small adjustments can have a big impact, making your site more user-friendly and visually appealing. Thanks for following along, and I hope your WordPress journey becomes just a bit smoother with this handy tip. See you in the next video.